Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Wix website fit all screens. Creating a website that looks great on any device is crucial for reaching a wider audience and providing an excellent user experience. Wix provides powerful tools within its editor to help you achieve this seamlessly. We will explore how to leverage these features to ensure your site is visually appealing and fully functional, whether viewed on a large desktop monitor or a small smartphone screen. Let's dive into the practical steps. Wix offers several built-in tools to help your site adapt. Utilize full-width sections and strips, as these elements automatically expand or contract to fit the browser window. The dedicated mobile editor is essential. It creates a mobile-friendly version of your site, allowing you to customize its design without affecting your desktop view. For precise control, use grid layouts and stacks to arrange content, ensuring elements maintain their relationships. In Wix Studio, you can even use responsive AI to optimize sections with just one click. Beyond the tools, certain design practices enhance responsiveness. Always optimize your images. Wix automatically compresses them to WebP format, but ensure they scale well. For text, keep it brief and use legible font sizes, generally 14 or 15 point for body text. Implement a mobile-friendly menu, like a hamburger icon, for easy navigation. Crucially, hide any elements that are not essential for the mobile experience to prevent clutter and improve loading times on smaller screens. Thorough testing is vital for a truly responsive site. Always preview your website on different devices to identify and fix any layout or usability issues. In Wix Studio, breakpoints are key. They represent specific screen width ranges where your design can be adjusted. The default breakpoints are desktop at 1001 pixels and up, tablet from 751 to 1000 pixels, and mobile from 320 to 750 pixels. Use the mobile editor to make manual adjustments, ensuring your site looks perfect on every screen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.